Hi, good people. Welcome to today's tutorial. So today we are going to talk about on how to determine the date of birth in column D. If you have such kind of data in Excel, so you only have age and you only have the date. Let's say this is the date, today's date. So how out of that today's date, how would you use the date formula or function in Excel to be able to deter the date of birth in column D? So we are going to, I want you to try this, leave a comment and try and let me know if it is working for you kindly. And if this video is much more educative, kindly share with your friends. Knowledge is worth sharing. So let's start. So click on insert, equal sign, sorry, then date. Okay. Then the date function would deter year, month, and day. Okay. So we only have age and we only have the date, today's date. Okay. And we want to deter the date of birth of these individuals here, or the names given. This is much important to those people who have majored in data analysis. You might have such kind of data, but this function would help you to deter that. Okay, so we type here, okay, then bracket, then we have the F function. On column F, we pull the current date. Then under the current date, we close. Then we separate by the dollar sign. Okay. Then we minus the age, that is column C, C4, then comma, then we do the month, okay, month, then we pull the same date again, then we close the parenthesis, but we separate by a dollar sign, separate by a dollar sign, then comma, then day, okay, then we pull the same, okay, so we pull, close that, then we pull our data in column F5, okay, F5, then we close the bracket, and this one as well separate by dollar sign, then close the parenthesis. Once that is done, before I click on, or before you click on enter key, I want you to leave a comment by answering this question. Why do we separate with the dollar sign? Why do we separate using dollar sign? Okay, why do we do that? So leave a comment on the comment section. Then I'll be able to respond. Then after that, click enter. So we are able to deter when was John Track was born. Sunday, September 12th, 1999. Okay. Then hover your mouse pointer at the corner and double click. If you double click, the formula or the function would be uh, would be would be applied on the rest of the data. Okay, so imagine you have a bigger data, or you have a data, but some do have date of birth, some and most of the data do not have a date of birth. Okay, you might have a data of such, but try the date formula to be able to deter the date of birth. Hope you've learned something. If this video is of much help and you've learned something, please give a thumbs up, like, share, comment, and if you're new to my channel, kindly subscribe. Thank you. See you in the next video.